lovelies, so welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to keep it real and bring you all of this at-home fitness motivation to get your bodies moving. And I just finished, midway through my workout this evening, I was like, I'm gonna film this for you all. So I just finished up my workout. You can see I am a sweaty mess. It just felt so nice outside. Like the sun was out, it's a beautiful evening. I was like, I'm gonna switch up the scenery. I'm gonna come out here by my pool deck and basically do a little full body workout for you guys. So I hope you enjoy these next few exercises that you're gonna see. They're pretty basic. I'm gonna walk you through and tell you how to do everything, so don't worry, the instructions will be right there for you. I just use some 5s and some 10s for my weights. By all means, if you do not have weights at the house, do not feel like you need to use weights. You can use soup cans, you can use wine bottles, water jugs, filled to whatever gallon mark you want. So yeah, you don't need to have weights at all in general. Just if you don't have weights, really focus on the muscles that you're actually using throughout the exercises and try to squeeze them a little more intently. So you're really focusing and working that muscle as much as you can. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these and have a great workout there at the house. Start with 10 tricep extensions. Notice I'm only lifting to about head height. That's going to keep me into that muscle a little bit deeper than fully extending. Finish with 10 pulse tricep extensions. Move into tricep dips. Align your shoulders over your wrist for safety and only bend down as comfortable it is for you. Try to keep your hips lifted. Finish with 10 pulses. Getting into your shoulder region now, just start with 10 shoulder presses. Have your weights meet at the top and then bring them down to your side. Continuing to carve out your deltoids, move into a lateral to front raise. Lift your weights up to your sides, draw them straight in front of you, back to your side and down. Working your biceps in alternating bicep curls. Notice one arm comes forward as one goes directly out to your side. This just targets your muscle slightly different. Move into a lat row for your next exercise. Think about squeezing your arms as tightly as you can towards your sides to really sculpt through your side and back. We can't forget about that perfect round booty. So I'm doing hip thrusts now. Do 10 with both feet down. I'm using the weights for added intensity. You don't need to if you don't want. Really killing out your glutes and hamstrings. Move into a single leg hip thrust. Just bring one leg up to 90 degrees. I'm performing only 5 on each leg. Now to target your abdominals, hold your core super tight, draw one knee up as you lower your weight down towards it. Think about doing a slight bend forward of your waist as they come together. Also working your obliques, basically perform the same thing in an oblique crunch where you draw your leg up slightly out to the side and you draw your elbow down towards your knee. Full body blast ahead, starting with your hamstrings, getting into your quads and biceps. Start out with a deadlift where you draw your weights down towards your feet, keeping a soft knee. When you get to the bottom, lower your seat down, forming a potty squat position, and then stand up all the way as you draw your weights up to your shoulders for that added bicep curl. I wanted to really burn out my quads, it seems, so I ended up finishing off with 10 goblet squats, I think these are called. Basically make sure that your knees are in line with your toes and you have a slightly wider than hip width stance. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed that workout. I think it was pretty basic. I think I walked you through pretty well. If you have any comments or any questions, you can just leave those down there in the comment roll and I will get back to you. Do not worry. I hope you all are staying safe, staying healthy, washing your hands, and staying motivated and getting your bodies moving. If you liked it, I would love it if you gave this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. Just hit the button right there in the center. If you click the bell that's down below, it's going to keep you notified every single time I upload a video, which there's more videos there on the side for you guys to check out. So until next time, I'll see you then, lovelies. Bye-bye.